What is Global Domains International, or GDI for short? And can you make money with it? Hi, I'm Carol Reve. Welcome to my channel. I'm so blessed that you stopped by. Well, let's get right into it. Now, GDI offers you a domain name, which it's your corner of real estate online on the internet. So, like, my domain is carol.ws. It's short, it's easy to remember, easy to spell. That's why I chose that. Okay, so you can choose that. It also has an easy, GDI also has an easy website builder, so you can create your own website. It has web hosting, so if you want to use WordPress, you can use WordPress, or the website builder has very easy drop and drag technology, and it's been updated, which I'm really happy to say. So it has professional email addresses, and then of course it has the income opportunity, where you earn $1 per person down 5 levels for everybody that you bring in and falls below you and comes in below you from your people. So it's called leverage is what that is. Okay? So GDI has also been around since 1999. It's been here for over 25 years. So, and it's paid monthly, it's paid weekly. You earn monthly residual income with GDI, and you can also earn weekly bonuses with GDI, recruiting bonuses, where if you bring in 5 people within a 7-day period, you can earn a $100 bonus on a $10 program. And GDI, you can also, when you sign up for GDI, you also get a 7-day free trial. So you get a chance to dip your toe in and see how you like it to begin with. So I love GDI. I've been in it for years. Not since '99, but I've been in it for years. They paid me every single month whenever I've earned the recruiting bonuses. I've also gotten the $100 bonus. It is a good, solid company. If you'd like to see how I have added GDI to my $10 funnel, this is right here. Go below this video. It's going to be carol.ws, like I said. That's the domain name. I've got this forwarded, and this is my $10 funnel. You can go ahead and opt in there, put your best email address in there, and then see if this funnel will help you. It will help you not only build GDI, but it will also help you build 14 other income streams. Okay? Not only do you earn from this marketing system, which is Leadsly, but you also earn from, well, you earn from GDI plus Leadsly plus 13 other income streams. So what does that leave? Those other 13 income streams are all traffic, different kinds, okay? But all of the traffic is budget-friendly traffic. And it's traffic that I have tested over the years. I have tried it and tested it, and it has converted, okay? Yes, there may be other budget-friendly traffic out there, but it's not always good converting traffic, okay? So if you'd like to see how I'm growing GDI, just click below this video, click on carol.ws, enter your email, and you'll see today and see why I'm so excited about GDI. And I would love you to join me if you do decide. If not, then you can always get back to the person that sent you to this video. And God bless. And if this helped you, please like, subscribe, and share.